Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andi Nursakina from Geography class. In this video, I will explain about sinkhole. Definition: sinkhole is a larger hole that occurs due to erosion of water that occurs into the soil so that landslides occur inward. The level of the water above it goes down and makes the soil above it goes down. So a natural phenomenon called sinkhole occurs. How is the sinkhole formed? According to geologists, sinkholes are formed from karst fields. Karst field is an area where bedrock is dissolved by underground water. The basic rocks in karst areas are usually limestone, dolomite, or gypsum. Karst areas are characteristic by specific features that are not present elsewhere: springs, caves, dry rivers that lose underground water, and drainage holes. Sinkhole front soil tips: first, lime soil; second, gypsum; third, salt. Lime soil is soil formed from weathering limestone. Old limestone rocks will decay, gradually becoming soil, and this soil that is formed is called limestone soil. Therefore, lime soil has a bright color as the limestone. Gypsum is one example of minerals with calcium levels that dominate their minerals. The most common gypsum found is a type of calcium sulfate hydrate with the chemical formula CaSO4 2H2O. Salt is an ionic compound consisting of positive ions and negative ions, thus forming neutral compounds. Salt is formed from the result of acid and basic reaction. Kinds of sinkhole types: dissolution sinkhole, cover subsidence sinkholes, cover collapse sinkholes, and sinkholes caused by human activity. Dissolution sinkholes. Melting, the process of dissolving solids into a solvent to make a solution, is the driving factor here. Limestone or dolomite smelting is the most intensive, where water first contacts the rock surface. Cover subsidence sinkholes. This species tends to develop gradually where the sedimentary bed experiences permeability and contains sand. In areas where the covering material is thicker or deposit containing a lot of clay, this type is rarely encountered and takes a long time to be detected. Cover collapse sinkholes. This category is the most dangerous sinkholes. Cover collapse sinkholes can develop very quickly and have catastrophic damage. This happens where the sediment protector contains a lot of clay. Over time, drainage, erosion, and deposition surface make the bowl-shaped sinkhole shallower. Sinkhole caused by human activity. The cause of sinkholes caused by human activity is because the natural drainage pattern has been changed and a new water diversion system has been developed. Some are formed due to change in soil, such as artificial reservoirs. The substantial weight of the new material can trigger the supporting material under the ground to collapse, resulting in holes. The worst sinkholes. When the tropical storm Agatha hit Guatemala in 2010, residents there witnessed the worst type of sinkhole in central Guatemala City. Its width reaches 18 meters, while its depth is estimated to be more than 30 meters. Sinkhole can be stopped if the existence of a sinkhole can be detected. Early precaution can be taken. You do this by injecting some kind of material into the hole to rebuild the foundation in degraded rock. Case sample in Solicams, Russia. Solicams was started at night when a sinkhole measuring 20 meters suddenly appeared in their area. Even before he could even breathe a sign of relief, the sinkhole grew large and now measures 120 meters with a depth of 80 meters. After conducting research, it is allegedly due to a very deep and long-abandoned old mine that caused the emergence of this natural phenomenon. Case sample in Dead Sea, Israel. The sinkhole phenomenon that is quite terrible also occurs in the Dead Sea area, Israel. Sometime later, more often large holes that appear randomly here. The numbers themselves are hundreds, with the largest sinkholes measuring 40 meters and a depth of 25 meters. Case sample in Maros, Indonesia. In 2019, in December, during the rainy season, sinkhole also occurred in Indonesia. A team from the Indonesian Geological Association descended to conduct initial monitoring at the location of a giant pit that appeared suddenly in the rice field area in Lembo Tengah Village, Cenrana District, Maros, South Sulawesi. From preliminary observation, geologists from Hasanuddin University suspected that there was a larger cavity in the hole that resembled a cave. Case sample in Sukabumi, Indonesia. The collapse of the land in the paddy fields of Legok Nyenang Village, Sukamaju Village, Sukabumi, West Java, had made the residents excited. It is thought that the large hole is a natural geological process caused by water-eroded soils and weathered rocks. Based on the National Geological Map, this sinkhole has a length of 605 meters and a width of 4 meters and a depth of 6 meters. I think that's all from this video, and thank you.